All right, well, I am getting ready, eating some breakfast before we head out to Howell Lanes in Howell, New Jersey. It's going to be myself, Chris Prather, and Chris Forey, and we're going to be out there bowling a trios tournament. We're heading out super early to help them set it up a little bit, so hopefully the early bird gets the worm. But yeah, I'll see you at Howell Lanes, and for those of you who aren't, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below and follow us along for more vlogs like this. See you at Howell. What's the game plan?
I don't know. Idle, phase 2, fast pitch.
Storm ice?
No, I didn't bring one.
Oh, yikes.
So those are my options. That's what I got.
What do you think you're gonna use?
Probably an idle because it's an idle. And then I will use a fast pitch for my spares. When the idle starts to not strike anymore, I have a UFO alert, a Zen, and a high road pearl to choose from.
Chris, I just don't think you understand how this works. If the pattern starts with a 3, we use urethane the whole time.
I have a fast pitch on the rack.
And we don't put it away either.
Oh.
6 games.
Normally I don't pick up urethane until game 5.
Normally I don't pick up urethane until practice starts.
Yeah, it's normally the first ball out of your car and out of your bag, right?
I only brought urethane balls in here. Matt, if the pattern starts with a 3, urethane only?
Yes, 100% of the time.
What if it starts with a 2?
Ooh, classic. Keyword.
The radical spy. Is that a purple hammer? I never thought I'd see the day. Give us a Game 4 update.
Game 1 and 2 were rough. Game 3 was great. Game 4 was rough again.
So we suck.
Yeah.
Good news
Ball
is
isn't working.
it's not over yet.
We still have technically like 8 more games.
We really have 4 more games. So we're halfway done. We're halfway. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. You got any tips?
Is it bad if I say no?
No. I don't know if there is anything. We just got to throw it back. The key is good shots.
Every time you miss.
Good shots and less splits.
Less splits help.
Key, the last one. I split every third shot, so. Nicole, how do you feel about this bigger format?
It doesn't matter because we're still going
Okay, well, first off, we are in last.
You're in last.
We
You're
are in
in
last.
second to last.
I threw 3 shots. I threw 3 shots that game. I didn't look at the air. I didn't look at where I was standing. I threw my plastic ball for 3 shots, and it was the only 3 shots I got on camera. So we're gonna be bowling plastic ball the next 6 games.
Well,
18 shots,
Yeah.
because I'm not gonna miss, and I will be anchoring the whole time. How do you feel about Jesse's 9-pin? It was the only shot from your team that I got that game.
This
8-pin.
game?
The 8-pin.
Oh, the 8-pin? It was actually one of the best games I've ever seen thrown because he started with a 3 spare. He took 3 off the left, spared it by almost going through the same. It looked like it was going to go through the same hole, but no, somehow spared it. Threw a 3-bagger,
7-10.
pocket 7-10, 4-bagger, stone 8, pocket 7-10 again.
Oh my.
Greatest game I've ever seen bowled.
I don't know what's going on. We're in last, and I don't want to bowl anymore. Just got home and broke my ankle. Just got home from the Swiss Trios, and to no surprise at all, we finished dead last. We went into the last game, we couldn't even move up in the standings at all. So we finished 8th out of 8 teams. Not that big of a turnout, looking to do it again next year, promote it a little more, and hopefully have a bigger turnout next year. But obviously, as always, I had fun bowling with the Chris's, as I'll call them. I had fun bowling with the Chris's, good time bowling with some friends as always, and until the next one, a lot of practice obviously, but until the next one, peace.